In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Einstein in Salesforce. Enabling this feature can significantly enhance your user experience, allowing you to leverage artificial intelligence effectively in your CRM tasks. Let's dive in step by step, ensuring you understand each part of the process. To get started, first, navigate to the Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to look for your profile icon, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on your profile will reveal a drop-down menu, and from this menu, you'll need to select Settings. Settings is your gateway to all your Salesforce configuration options, so it's essential to know where to find it. With your settings open, you'll want to use the powerful search feature within Salesforce. Type in Einstein into the search bar. This will help you find all the Einstein-related settings quickly without you having to browse through numerous categories and pages. The search function is a real time saver and helps to avoid any unnecessary frustration. Once the Einstein settings pop up, click on Email Capture Settings. This section is crucial because it lets you manage the way Salesforce captures and logs email interactions, a vital feature when using AI to drive insights from communication patterns. After you're inside the email capture settings, the next thing you'll do is click on New Account. This step is about setting up a new instance where your email activities will be captured by Einstein. After selecting New Account, proceed by clicking Next. You might notice there will be different service providers listed here, and you'll want to select Google as your email service provider. The choice of Google allows seamless integration if that's where your communication primarily occurs. Following this, another Next button will appear, guiding you through to connect your Google account to Salesforce. This is an integral step where you authenticate and establish a secure connection between your Google emails and Salesforce. Ensure you're logged into the correct Google account that holds your business communications. Next, you'll click on Connect Account. Doing so will trigger a pop-up window displaying your Google account credentials. If the correct email account appears, simply click Continue to finalize this integration. And there you have it, a straightforward yet thorough process to enable Einstein in Salesforce, specifically focusing on email capture settings. With AI now in place, you'll be better positioned to gain meaningful insights and automate tedious tasks, allowing your business processes to become much more efficient. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more features Einstein offers to enhance your Salesforce experience.